This video will show you how to do BMW CAS4 mileage correction by ACDP and ACDP-2. Reset the CAS mileage via OBD, and correct the cluster mileage in ICP mode. The overall ACDP connection is shown in the figure. The overall ACDP-2 connection is shown in the figure. Remove the cluster from the vehicle before resetting the CAS mileage. Open ACDP app. Confirm that the device is connected. Click BMW. Click CAS1-4. Click CAS4 Plus. Click OBD mode. Click IMO mileage. Click Reset mileage. Click OK. Click Continue. Confirm that the CAS mileage identified is the same as displayed on the cluster. Save screenshots. Click Continue. Note, need to remove the cluster and correct the mileage first, and reset the CAS4 mileage before installing the meter back. Click Continue. Click to continue and proceed with pre-processing. Click OK, programming coding data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Pre-processing ECU, please wait. Click OK. Reset mileage finished. Click OK. Click OK. Click OBD detect. Click OK. Click Continue. Confirm that the CAS mileage has been set to 0. Save screenshots. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Reset completed. Click on the button in the upper left corner. Return to BMW programming. Click M35XX. Disassemble the instrument. Confirm instrument chip. This video takes 160 DOWT as an example. The overall connection diagram of the instrument chip is shown in the figure. Click 160 DOWT. Click Modify mileage. Click OK. Click OK. The test results are normal. Click OK. Pay attention to the saved file name. Click Save a file. Click OK. Check if the mileage read is correct. Click on the number. Enter the mileage you want to modify. This video takes 50,000 as an example. Click OK. Waiting for data to be erased and written. Program execution completed. Click Exit. Click Backup data. Click OK. Click OK. The test results are normal. Click OK. Pay attention to the saved file name. Click Save a file. Click OK. Verification of instrument mileage modification successful. Click Exit. Install the instrument panel into the car. Check if the mileage displayed on the instrument panel is normal. Thanks for watching.